Hey, this is Kayla with Benchmark, and in today's video I will be showing you how to use GIS features in FieldGenius Android. In a previous video I had created a project and a GIS feature list for a pretend soil sampling project, and that is the one I will be using for this video. I already have the project open and I'm on the survey screen. I don't have an instrument connected, so I'm actually just going to manually add some points. I will click the manual point icon, which is just the hand icon along the bottom here to the right of the plumb bob. That will bring up the coordinates for the point where the map was centered over. I will click the plus on the right. I will select boreholes for my feature code. Then if I go to the point attributes tab, I can see those attributes that I had created. For the borehole ID, I will call it BH-01. For depth, I will do 0.3 meters or 30 centimeters. And for method, I will choose hand auger. And then click Save. I'm going to move to another point here just by kind of moving my hand across the map screen here. Once I have it centered over the point I want, I'll click the plus again, and the point attributes menu will automatically come up. For the ID, I will do BH-02. I'll change my depth to 1 meter. Next, for the method, I'll choose drill auger and click Save. I could go through and put in some more points here, but I think that's enough for now. So that is everything for today's video on using GIS feature lists in FieldGenius Android. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204, or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.